Still day one. She got her first hiccups. Oh my god. That's so cute. She's so tired. She's gonna be so mad.
Oh, this is so cute. Hi, baby.
She's like looking at you like. She has no idea what's going on.
You're growing.
She's eating too fast. It like stops for a minute, then goes away.